So once we have all of this set up, let's talk about testing and debugging a Vertex AI Agent Builder. So yeah, in case you have multiple, so next to your playbook, you'll have toggle simulator, and I'm just gonna click on it. In case you have multiple environments, you can select them, and the same as with the playbooks. And I think this is the easiest way to test between different models and just see what kind of results have. So let's start with 1.5 flash 002, and I'm going to ask it, does auto-cpufreq have a Debian package? So I'm going to hit enter. And besides getting our answer, notice that in the output, we also see using auto-cpufreq data. So you can be absolutely sure that it's communicating and working with the data store that we set up previously. And we can even see from which issue it's getting this answer from. So I can minimize this. So we got our answer. And now I can ask it a follow-up question, which is, can you link me to this request? And again, it's giving me a good answer, and Seaman giving me a link. And I literally have this, I'm literally have this defined as part of the instructions, where I'm saying please prioritize links if they're coming, if they're being returned. And now let's, for example, compare the same question with Gemini 1.0 Pro. So let's do this. I'm going to select 1.0 Pro, and I'm going to go those auto-cpufreq that have a Debian package and hit enter. It's taking a lot longer. Like it's spinning and spinning right now, and now it's okay. Okay, so something went wrong, and I've seen this before, and now I can just repeat the question. Yeah, it's again taking very long, but let's give it a try. Okay, so yeah, it gave me a reply in the end, and okay, cool, that's great. Can you link me to this request? Yeah, again, it's taking very long to process this, but let's see what it returns. So yeah, sorry, yeah, this is yeah, I'm not gonna deal with this any longer. So let's talk about something that interesting that was driving me crazy doing testing. So let's say we repeat the same question. So I'll even go with the flash in this case. Uh, and what I wanted to just say, conclude before we move on to this area is, from my experience for chatbots, Flash is the winning combination, and I would stick with Pro only for complex analytical or coding related questions. So let's see if we repeat the same question twice. So when was auto-cpufreq first released? And this was driving me crazy during testing. So it says it was released on December 6th, 2020. Okay, correct. Let's repeat the same question without any changes to data instructions or anything, and hit enter. And I get December 6th, but I get a completely different answer. And the question, it's literally identical. If I, yeah, control F it, it's literally the identical question. So yeah, why is this happening? So this is happening because models are non-deterministic by nature, and this randomness is there by design. So asking the same question will give you different answer due to various factors. So to make sure that you don't get different this complicate things doing testing, and to make sure you don't see any inconsistency during the testing phase, you can in settings you can go to the generative AI, Oh, data store. Sorry, general. Oh, yes. So basically, this temperature is what makes our GenAI chatbot creative. So what do you want to do during your testing phase, at least, is set it to 0. And yeah, we can do this right now. Yeah, so this minimizes the GenAI chatbot being creative, and it will only pull the answer from the what we have in the data store. So let's just do it again. And so temperature is set to 0 right now. And if I let's say ask the same question, when was auto CPU first released? I get my answer, and I'm just gonna repeat again the same question again, and we get the same answer. So I personally like to keep this around zero point 0.5, as otherwise your GenAI chatbot will just sound like a complete robot. But just to heads up is something that was driving me completely crazy during testing phase. So yeah, let's move to the next one.